So here we have a 3712 model Galaxy 12-inch box fan. Picked this thing up on eBay. It came with its original box, which on the very bottom here you can see it was originally purchased at Ben Franklin. Don't know if you can see that. That little sticker basically states that that's where it was originally bought at. They were like a 5 and dime store. Back of the box. It's not in, the back isn't as good of shape. Looks like tape kind of damage. It also looks like there was some water damage at one point. But also came, which was kind of cool. Haven't seen anybody else with one of these yet. A limited warranty card, and it has the different service stations that you could have taken this place to get serviced back when that was still a thing. I believe in the bottom of this thing it says it was 1983 to 84. I can check here in a second. As you can see based off looking at it though, it's got its handle, which is really nice. I'm not sure what kind of motor this thing is, but it does need to be oiled. I'll show in a second. I'll do another video of this thing once it's been oiled. And on the very bottom here you can see, let's see here. I think it's so small. Yeah, it's got a that's the sticker. Can't really see it. 1 amp. It was from 1981 to 1982, and like I said, you can see it's got the little feet thing all coming undone. Haven't really found anybody that knows what kind of motor that is, but let's show it running. It's my first 7-blade box fan. It's also got a it's also my first 12-inch box fan, and it's my first 2-speed. Get a little closer here. Here's high. It does blow air. But it is in serious need of oil. Like in serious need of oil. It's maybe it may have never even. It's possible it's never even been oiled before. Anybody knows I have to make sure if you can just oil it by putting oil in the back holes in the back, as long as there's no specification that I don't have to take the motor apart or anything to oil it. If anyone can let me know, because as long as this thing's easily able to be oiled, I shouldn't have a problem. But I don't have much experience doing anything with motors, so I'm not going to be able to take this thing apart. That's low, and like I said, as you can tell by looking at that thing, this thing, look at the way the blades are spinning. This thing does not, that is not normal. It needs to be oiled. But like I said, as long as I can get some feedback from somebody on this thing, I need to make sure it is an easy one to oil. If I can put oil in the back of the motor and then take off those blades and put some oil just in the front hole there, it shouldn't be a problem. But if I have to actually take the motor apart, I'm not sure I'll be able to do that. Usually these 7-speed or 7-blade fans kind of have a buzzy bee kind of sound. That's the way it always sounds to me. This one, you can tell. Yeah. It's trying to pick up some speed there, but I hear it. Turn it off. And yeah, it doesn't even have much of a spin down. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and please like and subscribe.